the scientist killed by his own experiment. In 1946, a top nuclear physicist stood over a plutonium core, and one slip of his hand triggered a deadly blue flash. The scientist was Louis Slotin, a 35-year-old Canadian physicist. He worked at the Los Alamos Laboratory, birthplace of the atomic bomb. On May 21, 1946, Slotin was performing an extremely dangerous test. It was called a criticality experiment, a procedure to measure how close a plutonium core could get to a nuclear chain reaction. The device was simple but deadly. Slotin held the two halves of a beryllium reflector around a 6.2 kilogram plutonium core. To prevent a full nuclear reaction, he kept them apart using only a screwdriver. Colleagues called it tickling the dragon's tail. One mistake could be fatal. At 3:20 p.m., the inevitable happened. The screwdriver slipped. The reflector halves closed. A burst of blue Cherenkov light filled the room, clear proof of a critical reaction. Slotin reacted instantly. He pulled the reflectors apart with his bare hands, stopping the reaction and saving the 7 men around him. But he had absorbed a massive, lethal dose of radiation, estimated at over 1,000 rads. He was rushed to the hospital. For 9 days, doctors fought the inevitable. On May 30th, 1946, Louis Slotin died from acute radiation poisoning. The plutonium sphere became infamous as the Demon Core, and Slotin became the last American scientist to die during a nuclear criticality experiment. A tragic reminder that in the early atomic age, even the smallest slip could cost